So we're joining this at the chorus, okay? So we've done this bit. There, there. This is the opposite way. Pushing to this way. This is the step walking back. We slow walks, fast forward, and we're pushing. And again. And forward. This is the swimming, so this is what we've already done. Jump. This is our arms. We've already done this thing. This is when the claps come in. And you just keep going 8 times. Anywhere on the dance floor. Back into the chorus. And that will then take you to the end of the routine.